Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this 2D drafting by using AutoCAD. Okay, open our AutoCAD software. Firstly, we need to create a line. So by using the line command, press enter, then click over here. So the length of the line is 30. Press enter. Okay. Next, we create a circle. So by using the circle command, press enter. Then click to this endpoint. We put the radius for the circle is 70. Press enter. Next, we repeat the same command at the same endpoint. For now, the radius for the circle is 85. Press enter. Okay. So next we create another circle. Okay. At the same center. Then the radius we put 91. Press enter. Okay. So next we create another circle at different endpoint. Okay. So for this circle we put the radius is 35. Press enter. Then repeat the same command at the same center. So for this circle the radius is 50. Press enter. Then repeat the same command. We create another circle with radius of 56. Press enter. Okay. So next we create a rectangle. So by using the rectangle command, press enter. Okay, click over here. Then we put the dimension for the rectangle is 6,18. Press enter. By using the move command, we move this rectangle to this quadrant, to this circle quadrant. So you can press shift button on the keyboard and right click, choose quadrant. So we put to this quadrant. You also can activate over here the quadrant mode. Okay, so you can detect the quadrant over here. Okay. Okay, next by using the move command, once again press enter. We move this rectangle by clicking this edge as the base point, then move the rectangle to the left until intersect with this circumference. Okay. So by using the trim command, press enter twice. We trim this circumference and the line. Press enter. Okay. So next, by using the line command, press enter. We create the line starting from this endpoint until here. Okay. Press enter. Then by using the offset command, press enter. We offset this line with the value of 25. Press enter. Then we offset this line upward and downward. Press enter. Okay. So next, repeating the same command, offset command, press enter. So now we put the value 9. Press enter. We offset the same line upward and downward. Press enter. Okay. So now we need to trim the circumference and line to make a drawing. So by using the trim command, press enter twice. Then we can trim over here. We can trim this circumference. Okay, also this part. Okay, you need to zoom in and zoom out to trace the part that you want to trim. Okay, also this line. Okay, this line, this circumference. Okay, this. Okay, over here. Okay. Okay, same goes to here. Okay. Then this line. Okay. this is circumference. Okay, so press enter, then we can just delete this line. Okay, so this we can trim by using the trim command. And for this arc, we just erase or press delete on the keyboard. Okay, so next, okay, we also can delete this. Okay, next we need to create a circle once again. Okay, by specify this center. Okay, with radius of 60. Press enter. Okay, so by using the trim command, we trim this part. Okay, this part and this part. Press enter, then for this arc we just press delete. Okay, so next I want to fillet this edge. So by using the fillet command, press enter, choose radius to put the radius. So the radius I put 6, press enter, then I choose multiple over here in order to fillet the multiple edges. So I click this arc and this arc, this arc and this line, this arc and this line. Okay, okay, press enter. Alright, so done with our drafting. So lastly, you can press Ctrl P on the keyboard to change this drawing into PDF. Okay, alright. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. So hope you enjoy and learn a lot of new things. Don't forget to follow and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and tutorial. All the best. Thank you.